Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reset and repair Windows security. So very simple and easy steps. Click on Start, Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Now here search Windows. You will see Windows security. Click on these three dots, Advanced Options. Now here click on Repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. So just click on Repair. And also guys, you can reset. So this is the basic and quick way to repair and reset Windows security in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.